Estill is a local firm that has offices all around the country. We have about 150 legal professionals. We have 35 here in Oklahoma City, about 80 in Tulsa, and then a few in Northwest Arkansas and in Washington, D.C. We've been in Oklahoma City for about 25 years, and the firm as a whole has been around more than 40 years. We've made a commitment to stay here in downtown and expanded our presence now where we are occupying almost 3 floors of the Chase Tower, and we just feel like downtown is the place to be for a law firm that serves its clients both in the corporate world and at the courthouse. We're bursting at the seams. We had to have some more office space, and so we've acquired this extra square footage here on the 30th floor so that we could accommodate both the growth we have now and the growth we expect in the coming months. We added 5 new lawyers to our intellectual property division.
I came over with a team of 5 attorneys and staff from another firm, and we joined Estill, which is one of the leading firms in the region. We augmented the IP section, the intellectual property section. Intellectual property is the law that deals with the product of the human mind. It's the law of ideas. We live in the information age, and so as time is going on, high tech is influencing every area of our life. Every company has IP that needs to be protected, and that's where we come in. That's what we do. The firm Estill keeps growing by leaps and bounds. We keep adding high quality, energetic, talented attorneys who have one goal in mind, and that is to give the very best service that we possibly can at a great price, great value.
We have clients that come from all over the world that see value in using lawyers here in the center of the country because they're more economical, but just as talented as those lawyers on the coast. So we see ourselves growing and growing in that area because of our ability to provide legal services at a much lower rate than the firms on the coast typically can.
Oklahoma is home to 38 federally recognized American Indian tribes, and in the Tulsa office we have a pretty large Indian law practice group. I'm here in the Oklahoma City office now to work with the Indian law practice group and to expand the services that we're able to offer clients with interests in Oklahoma Indian country. Estill has an excellent reputation in the legal community here in the state of Oklahoma and actually here in the region. And I'm very excited to be a new member of the team working here at Estill. The firm's growth has just been phenomenal, as evidenced by the construction here on site, but also as evidenced by its presence in the legal community. It's just a really exciting time in this firm's history, and I'm excited to be a part of it.
One of the things we've done, and what we're trying to do, is work with local contractors and local artists to kind of bring the flavor of Oklahoma City into our space. We have a great deal of pride in the developments in downtown. We've all, from our perch up here on the top of the Chase Tower, have watched all of this happen. And those of us that have been working downtown since the 80s, when it was such a ghost town, are so happy to see all this, that there's a great deal of just pride in being downtown and in being a part of that renaissance.